part of your job do you enjoy the most, would you say?
Pressure washing. My name is Ray Ramos. I'm the custodial supervisor for shelter crew. Anything pertaining to our bus stop locations, we maintain them. We have a set of guys that'll go out, they'll hook up to these larger trucks with the pressure washers. It's non-stop from the time we get here at 6. We go everywhere from the south end of Fresno all the way up north, and we are just everywhere.
What is that, gum?
I think it's gum, yeah. Majority of the time we'll check the area for any damage, any vandalism. The most common thing we run into is graffiti, pin, stickers over our decals. We try to remove all that stuff so it's visible and clean, and then we'll rake up the area. And if it needs pressure washing, we'll pressure wash it. When we're doing it, you can see when the concrete's actually changing color. It's just something about hitting that concrete with that pressure washer, and you just see the clean concrete you leave behind. I'm from Fresno. Everybody on our crew is from here, and they take pride. Everybody has family in different areas. Their family knows they work for FAX, so they want to make a good impression when their family's driving by. Everybody will take pride in their work. They love to see the results. They love to see it maintained.